This is my face for like the 100th time. Hopefully you can see it. This is my breadboard, my wired Arduino to my breadboard, and my computer. As you can see, my Arduino is blinking quite slowly. You might think it's quick until you see the ratio it begins with. As I slowly begin to cover my hands, it begins to glow, and blink slowly. As I slowly take my hands off, you'll see it'll slowly start to blink quicker and quicker, and then drastically start to blink quicker and quicker. From here, to explain this well, I have my code. As you can tell, we have our LED set up into 9, which is where we feed the LED power. And then we recognize that we're gonna begin to be able to run numbers. In our actual loop, we read from A0, and then we print X as we set our readings to X. From there, we were able to turn on, as from our blinking on and off, our LED. And then from turning off our LED, I set it from a 1 second interval to an 11.5 millisecond interval, based on as X begins to decrease with no light and increase with light. So from there, to be able to show you our photosensitive resistor being able to pick data up, we have our monitor and our resistor drastically changing as I begin to put my hand over the photosensitive resistor, decreasing resistivity. As you can see, our numbers drop to 27. As I take